This is Hoops 6264. It's a 3-box breaker Hoops. What is her name, Anthony? Random team job. We're going to spin the list of teams 5 times. Team on top after 5 will go to Christopher. And the team at the bottom will go to Timothy in spot 30. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Rockets, Suns. Oh, I'll just turn that off. It's my first day. That has been saved under where you purchased your spots in this break. Let's have a look at some of the main teams. Detroit, 5, Matthew Jackson. Lakers, good for the inserts, 2, James Williams. And Houston. Spot 1, early worm, good bird, Christopher. And one more. Let's look up OKC, spot 3. Rockets, Lakers, Thunder, Hornets, Pistons, Mavs. That's a good first 6. But in spot 3, OKC, also James. Big shout out to Isabella, who's watching at home. Make sure you do your homework and eat your vegetables. Did Edge send his name through? Or an order number? I'm trying to help, but I need to know who you are. Good luck, 6264. She needs to trust her dad a bit more, Anthony. Why would you lie to her? Lillard, Johnson, I'm still going to need to know what break it was, Bailey. Quinton Grimy, if you message the page right now, it's going to go to a staff member that is out for a week with COVID, so I need to know who you are if you want some assistance tonight. Gary Harris. First auto is good again. Jalen Suggs. Jeez, these last 5 boxes of hoops have been litty. Magic. Wagner last time. Now the big Suggs. Orlando. Spot 11. Matt Seegers. Evan Mobley and Herbert Jones. Actually, do send me his name, Bailey, because if he already has sent a message, I'll find his ticket. Zero Gravity Tatum. James Harden, High Voltage. Bones. Prime Twine, LeBron James. Josh Christopher. CJ, free throw leader, and Jerry Springer. Redback, Jamal Murray. Garuba, Johnson. City Edition, Sabonis. Magda's not joining the disco. That's all I read there. Giddy, we are next. He's making a stance that no one cares about. They're like, okay, stay out then. 199, Jamal Murray. I think the only one that has missed you is Bailey. Joker, 2021. High Court, LeBron. Now playing Primo. Oh, DDC. Charming. We got next of Trey Mann, Scotty Lewis. I want to get a big gold or something of a rookie. A purple Joker. Mobley. Graham Thompson, Luca, Lowry, PJ Bogdan. Now playing holo of my mate Alperin. Okay, no mercy. I'll keep it away. 2021 of Derrick Rose. If Edge replies and I don't acknowledge it, just if someone can remind me, I won't be skipping over it on purpose. Hypnotized Jar. Jimmy will be rustled. Oh boy. Redback THJ. Livers. Purple of Steph. Saw Blaze hit the 101 just straight away. No 101s for us yet. We'll get one. We're going to get the Giddy 101. D Fox. Jamtastic of LeBron. The Lakers just good for inserts, especially of King James. He's in every set. And they all look cool. 199 Klebe. DJ. Actually, I can just look up from the break tonight, Bailey. Don't stress. Now playing Mobley. Your Jamtastic Dale. My Jamtastic what, Magda? Dominique Wilkins, Zero Gravity. Robinson Earl. Just the one auto so far. Purple Joe Harris. Gaza. Hoopla of Leonard and Cade Cunningham. Bomber Ben, I believe there's some spots in a Obsidian soccer break, random team, $1. And maybe some spots left in some snaps breaks. One of the admins will help you. Bailey, I'm looking at you. The mods. Now playing Giddy. Still just the one auto so far. D. Mitch, prime time. Zaire Williams, wrong pile. Hoops is all sold out. No Jock Landale, no, didn't make it. High voltage, Beal, Duarte. Jeremy Grant, Kia. One of 3 in the case. Stephen Curry, 62 points, highlights, subs. I'll find it on the ticket, Bailey. Thank you for looking, don't stress. Kmart Junior, 199, Wagner. $11 left in Obsidian Soccer random team. That should go tonight. Edwards City, the Sunmoo. Now playing Treyman, and the Sunmoo equals CC most of the time. To 25, our shortest print one for a while, 8 of Brandon Ingram, Kaminga. He's putting links into the chat because I asked him to, Magda. So yeah, that is making me happy. He's doing what he's told. Trebe 2021. Wrong pile, Trebe. Let's get that over there. Still got 2 autos to come here. Well, we're meant to. Hoopla, Joker. Magda doing a little bit of snitching, trying to get that spanner off him. Oh! Oh no, what is that? Oh dear. What is that that's come through on the chat? Mobley. MLB Snaps is out. There's a breakup for it tonight actually. Purple White. I'm guessing the message got blocked for everyone else. We've only got 2 piles and we're supposed to have 2 autos. There's a link to a WhatsApp group and all sorts of stuff happening there. So good luck if you clicked it. Josh Christopher, we got next. Next auto is for the Jazz, and it's a Jared Butler. If anyone can tell me anything about him, greatly appreciate. I'll have your name now, Edge. I will look into it straight after the show for you. Jared Butler. Now playing T-Man. City Zion, Jalen Suggs, Karl Malone, 14-time All-NBA, wrong pile for an All-NBA. Bailey continued to do something I told him not to. So he wins you and then he loses you just like that. Kelly Oubre Jr. red back. Dayron Sharp. (2021) Tobias to Sunmu equals not Cunningham. We got next Trey Murphy 1, 2, 3. Todd. Beale City. Dale did the break. Oh boy. Sounds like you get good hits when I break. You should come over to Cherry Footy, old Edge. Give yourself a nice little booklet. Now playing Keon Johnson Hollow. Bailey just keeping you protected, Edge. A lot of people don't want. They use different names on YouTube. Some of them are hiding over here from their regular breaker, who will ban them off their page if they are seen breaking with Cherry. Others just don't want people to know who they are. It's all fair. We don't care who you are. City Edition. If you want to be anonymous, then you can be anonymous. There's literally someone, everyone will know, listed as Carpet Punter. You can pick whatever name you want. Kai Jones, Scotty Lewis. Last auto is another good one, Kaminga, and he's gone to town on that auto. Hot Sigs. Hoops breaks tonight have been A+. No complaining here from me. MB Prime Twine, Christopher. The old bread watch has come over to Cherry Footy, and every time I think, geez, I hope Blake doesn't know you're here. But he doesn't care. He said, Blake, eat this. Hello, Alex. We've lost 2 more, Alex. We're Big Red, Gonski, Tabby, Gonski. I got my sister's wedding in 25 days. I've got to decide if I want to go to that or not, and then decide if I'm going to get COVID just in the few days before it, or if I do want to go, I'll just save it till after. MVP case hit, Giannis. Jalen Green. These breaks. Wowee. Magda is away, serving a life sentence. No Mercy wants it. He's been talking about those cards. We've got 3 more packs, No Mercy, then I'll tell you who has it. High Voltage, LaMelo, good little finish, Hornets. And we're not even finished, so maybe you're not finished. Green Boban. I love to watch old Boban. Yeah, but I've got to decide if I want to go to the wedding, old Glidey. MB3, purple. And that is it, 6264.